All right, what's the number one way to be successful in LiveGood? And I know you guys will probably go, oh God, why did I watch this video? What a cornball. I swear this, I stress this more than anything, probably in life, let alone a LiveGood video. And there's obviously a lot of cool things that will enhance and increase your chance of getting some nice people to click your link and pre-enroll and probably join, because that at the end of the day, that's awesome, man. It makes you feel good, doesn't it? My number one recommendation, and I know this is going to sound corny, is be yourself. And I can't stress that enough. I see people that evolve if they do video or maybe email, or if they start just relaxing a little bit and go, my hair, my makeup, my clothes, I'm trying to be high energy. I'm trying to keep up with these TikTok people that are going like this, and then they're dancing and doing this stupid bull crap that, I mean, who the hell does that? I mean, my family are into cattle. I put a cattle prod up someone's ass. I will do this and I'll freak out. And then I'll probably point and go, join LiveGood. I mean, if you're not into that, I mean, maybe you're into cattle prods, but if you're not into, acting kind of like a horse's ass on TikTok, don't do it. If you enjoy Instagram, which I think is a little more peaceful, I enjoy pictures, and I when I go to Instagram, not to post for business, but if I just see Instagram, I appreciate more of a friendly vibe. And if that meets your personality, maybe focus a little bit on Instagram and use your personality with pictures and maybe describing certain things. And sooner or later, you'll get confidence to where you'll improvise real nicely the LiveGood thing. Because all you got to do is just invite people to watch it's almost 6 minutes. I think that's the best technique, is let our CEO, Ben, talk about the opportunity. He's himself. You'll see him after a day of mountain biking or surfing, and he loves a healthy lifestyle. And I appreciate that, because if the CEO of a health and wellness company weighs 500 pounds and he's eating cheeseburgers going, man, you guys need to eat some super reds and take some of these magnesium pills. Hold on, guys, I got a burger and a Whopper's coming out my ass while I'm eating another one. It's like, I'll tell you, that's someone I'm like, you're probably in this for the buck. It's hard to have a guy eating 5 cheeseburgers talking about you better take that factor 4 vitamins. But I appreciate Ben talking. I like his voice. I like how he's just real and he's into health, that he's a family dude, and I appreciate that. And if somebody like Ben can be himself, Nodder, our marketing director, he's a cool dude. You can just tell he's exactly how he is if you meet him in person or on camera. Our doctors, they're great. They're a married couple. You can tell they just dig health and nutrition. They look like they have a great time regardless if they're on video or not. And that's awesome. I think they're being themselves. They'll be in their home. Maybe Ryan will be in his office and his lovely wife might be in the kitchen. The other day she was just driving. And a lot of our leaders, they're real. They'll sit in a car. They might have like a little office. I have a studio here with an insane amount of really crazy, well, I think they're called Legos and Hot Wheels and trinkets. But I hope you be yourself. I really do, because if you fail and you don't get people coming to your business, don't take it personal. A lot of times you're just fishing in the wrong lake, man. You're like just in a muddy piece of water that could have garbage in it. And 12 feet away, there's a darn gorgeous lake full of the biggest fish in the world, and it just has some grass over it. You didn't even realize that there's a billion fish underneath that big pond. That's how the marketing campaigns will be in your life. It's hit and miss. And you're going to start taking things personal. Like, you're not like, I just can't believe no one will click my business. No one will come to my capture page. Is it my hair? Is it my approach? Do I not have the wackiness of a TikTok? Is my lighting not good? Do I look tired? So people are like, well, this guy looks old and tired. I don't know if he'll have the energy that I'm demanding if I join his group. And you got to realize if people join you, or if I join you, or if I join my upline, Rob, or if you join my group, I like to think that we're pals. But it doesn't mean that whatever I teach or what my upline teaches, or, and what I do is I send you guys direct links to the capture pages and basically what the leaders of this company do. And I put a twist on it myself. And I honestly think Jeff, our one of our top guys, he's himself. The great Tim. Tim's awesome. He's down to earth. I don't think he is 1% not himself. He's the real deal, and I appreciate it. I know Tracy Walker from years ago in business, and she's always cool, great mom. She sits at like a kitchen type office, and you can even hear kids in the background, which I think is funny. Mom, and here's her mom, super successful, by the way. Tracy is like a rock star when it comes to earning money and just being badass. And I love it because you'll see someone just really teaching you something awesome and you're just admiring their advice and they look so good. And then a kid walks in with a cheeseburger and like a booger out his nose. And it's like, Mom, Billy put a fry in my nose, and it's like, now, Billy, dang it, I'm online with 400 people on a Zoom call. Now get in the kitchen or you're grounded. Mom, I mean, it's so funny. Even the best leaders or the top leaders that have the most people in their downline, or maybe the financial yummies that we all want, they're all people at the end of the day. When they get off, they're probably tired, their feet hurt, they want to make another video, but life gets in the way, screwing stuff up of their plans. You're going to have the same thing. I honestly do worry about you not being yourself, because if you're not, you're going to kind of feel fake, and you're going to like that fake to make. Don't do that. You don't have to do that with this company. The more honest you are, down to earth. If you're tired, start your video and go, you know what, guys, I'm tired, but I really love this company. And before I go to bed tonight, I just want to talk to you a couple minutes about something. I appreciate that. I've watched just about every high energy software, and I don't mind investing money into courses on how to do certain things. I've spent quite a bit, actually. I could buy a damn car for as much money as I have invested in what people sell. And half of it I can get off YouTube. But I do enjoy just sitting down and listening to what people say. And some of the videos are very high production. They've got probably 4 guys and girls doing hair, makeup, lighting, and then some awesome guy like the editor for Mr. Beast or Logan Paul makes sure that the clips go close up, this side, left, dynamic, logo, wow, holy shit. They do look awesome, but in my opinion, if you are yourself and you're comfortable and you're just real, I swear, I still think that's more, you're going to have more success doing that, because you're just not going to be so stressed of trying to be someone that you're not. And if you want to sit in your car and just relax and just chat away, do so. If you drop the camera, keep it in. Please do. I will watch that all day. I love it. If you cough, go ahead and cough. If you got an itch, just go, hold on, guys. I think I got something. Hold on a minute. Nope, that was just an itch. Okay, let me tell you about the LiveGood compensation plan. I mean, I think the more real you are, I honestly think then you'll follow through. You won't be restarting, hit stop, hit edit. Like my software, I hit a button. And sometimes when I hit record, I do it on purpose when I have no notes and not one single idea what I'm going to talk about. And sometimes it's good, bad, and ugly. If there was courses on how to make video, there's no way in hell they would ever use my course. They would like, you talk, you're too relaxed, you need more dynamics, and you got to cut and paste. And if you have a video about how to do something, go ahead and shit and get off the pot. Make that video 41 seconds and get the hell out, because people are waiting for Mr. Beast to light farts on fire by the beach and Logan Paul to beat up somebody, or vice versa. There's a lot of truth in that, but don't try to compete. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Isn't that the famous phrase? Please be yourself. I really think that'd be awesome. My next video, believe it or not, is so stupid. I'm embarrassed that I'm even bringing this up, but I had somebody, they gave me fresh rolls. Okay. I got a ton of fresh rolls. These are the kind that you eat plain, and they are dang good. They're soft, but they're heavy, and they're chewy almost. Do you know what I mean? Like Rhodes Bacon Serve or whatever, but they're like from Texas Roadhouse. And these are so fattening. If you're on a diet, do not eat bread, especially late at night. It's not good. But I said, you know what? I don't want butter or peanut butter or jam or honey. I go, I love the taste of bread like this. But I also love milk because when I was a youngster, I would put a little bit of milk and I would dunk these in milk. Now, I'm born in the 60s. I did a lot of crazy fun stuff as a kid in the 70s, and one of them was dunking just fresh bread in just a little bit of milk. And I still love it as a grown ass man with a Santa beard. So I'm going to make a video because I had someone going, "You're full of shit. There's no way you don't do that. Milk and bread, gross." I'm like, go for maybe for you, but I love it, man. I love it. So I'm gonna make a video where I simply dunk a roll in milk and I eat it on camera. I know that the entertainment value of that compared to Logan Paul and Mr. Beast is about 0.00001, but to me, I'm just being myself. I think eating a roll dipped in milk is a good idea. Now, 10 years from now, I'll watch the video back and go, what a complete ass. That's the dumbest video I've seen. And that's probably what's going to happen in the future. But after I click off on this video, it's going to be in my best interest to make it. And plus, I'm kind of craving milk and fresh bread from Texas Roadhouse. So, all right. Well, be yourself, guys. I know that's not a whole hell of a lot of secrets and all that, but I do have some AI training that I'm doing, and I do a lot of YouTube and some other things. So when it comes to Live Good, just get good at one thing, be yourself, and just take baby steps. You haven't lost a thing. There's plenty of money, plenty of opportunity, and plenty of badass products to buy. So relax. You're going to get this. I know you can do it. All right. So it's bread and milk time. But I don't even use the cow milk. I'm addicted to this darn almond milk. And it's even from Walmart. I don't even know if it's real almond milk, but it tastes great, just plain. And it's less filling. Almond milk and bread. This probably is the least valuable video I've ever done. But if you watch it, I appreciate it. And try bread and milk. It's kind of cool. So, all right, kids. If you want to join Live Good, the link's underneath. You guys know what to do. All right, take care. All right, and don't do this before bed. If you want to get a giant, super big stomach, go ahead and eat 2 of those big, giant rolls with milk and then lay down and go, I don't know why I'm fat. I can't believe I have a beer belly. Can you hand me the roll? God, damn planet we live on. Oh, God, why can't all food be healthy? All right, we'll see you next video. All right, be good, kids.